Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your mountain bike shifter. Before touching any screws, first check your shifter cable for any fraying or excessive slack. Next, visually inspect your derailleur hanger to ensure it is perfectly straight and not bent. Finally, give your entire drivetrain a thorough cleaning. A clean chain and cogs are essential for accurate shifting. These initial steps are crucial for a successful adjustment. Now let's set your derailleur's limit screws. The high limit screw, often marked H, prevents your chain from shifting past the smallest cog and into the frame. The low limit screw, usually marked L, stops the chain from going into your spokes when on the largest cog. Adjust these screws so the chain just clears the adjacent cog, ensuring smooth transitions and preventing overshifts. With the limit screws set, it's time to fine-tune your cable tension using the barrel adjuster. If your shifts are slow or hesitant when moving to a larger cog, turn the barrel adjuster counterclockwise in small 1/4 turns to increase tension. If the chain overshifts or struggles to move to a smaller cog, turn it clockwise to decrease tension. Aim for crisp, immediate shifts. After making your adjustments, shift through every gear, both up and down, several times. Listen carefully for any grinding, skipping, or delayed shifts. Take your bike for a short test ride, paying close attention to how it performs under load. Make any final, minor adjustments to the barrel adjuster as needed, aiming for perfectly smooth and reliable gear changes across your entire cassette.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.